Everybody's doing a brand new thing now. Come on, baby, scrapbook with me. A picture here, a picture there, you get the notion. Come on, baby, scrapbook with me. And now for that scrapbooker extraordinaire, my mistress, Terry Rice.
No, I'm his wife. And I admit it. Okay, today we are on day 25 of 30 days of sketches. 5 more days to go after this. Can you believe it? So our sketch artist today is Stella Harris, and it's a matted 2-page layout, but I am not going to mat it because my pictures are going to be pretty tight. And she's got, I'll tell you right here, she's got 3 square 4x4s, 1 6x4, that's horizontal, 3 3x4 vertical, 4 4x2 horizontal, 3 square 2x2. Now my area over here got a little bigger just because when I tried to do the 4x2s, then I cut them off too much. So, but I'm gonna totally fill up the space, and I have at least this many pictures, maybe more. And so then she's got an embellishment down here that fills up this area, one over here in this area, one up here in this one, and then a banner over here. So my embellishments are going to be, of course, a little bit different because I am taking up this space a lot, and actually this one ends up being pretty full too. So I'll just get at it.
You said embellishments.
I always say embellishments. It's my favorite part. Embellishments. Okay, so I'm gonna lay these out. Let's see. Got this down here, this up here, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause and lay all these out because you know, that'll take me a while, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got all the pictures down, and you can see my intentions were, I thought I have all these pictures. They go all different ways. I thought I'd be able to get them just like they were. So this page I did just like it was. And then this one I started out pretty good until, you know, I couldn't get, I did get this one. I was able to get that one as a 2x4, but that was like the only one. So it was fun trying to get it to the right size. Okay, so now I've got this little band of paper that was left from yesterday's. Oh, and I am using American Crafts Hello Little Girl, and it was one of those baby kits that I had made previously, and I didn't this is one that I did not do a you know, do during the 30, you know, when I was trying to do 30 sketches, there was 4 I didn't get done. So, but I did find that this would work, or, you know, as close as I could get. I think I have about the same amount of pictures. I just have them in different sizes. But I love it that, you know, this was a whole little baby shooting photography where a lady came out to their house and took the pictures. Okay, I think this has got to be straight, but you know what? I'll try it, and if it's wrong, it might still have to stay there, because I'll tell you, I think I need to get a new ruler. This one is just not doing it for me. 4/8 or 3/8. Okay, that's good. Okay, and then I did one of the strips that has the little rainbows because I thought that would be perfect. And I'm going to flip it around and hopefully do as good as I did on the first one. And look, I thought I was getting them the same height, but I guess not. Okay, that looks right. Okay, 2.5. And almost 2.5. Can I slide it down just a little? You know what? It's probably 2.5 to the pink because I think I didn't cut my paper real straight. Okay. Let's see. It's a little bit off, but it's pretty stuck down, so it's going to stay there. Okay. I'm trying to get over it being perfect when something doesn't line up right. Okay, now I've got these little buttons from, what are they from? They are from Stampin' Up. And I got them at an auction for the twins preschool. And I'm going to put them down here. They're really pretty buttons. I love them. I'm not going to put any string in them. There's a little something on this one. Does it come off? Yep, okay. I need a little bit more here. So I'm just having those 3 buttons lined up there. Oh, I didn't get enough glue after I picked it up and put it back down. I just think those little buttons are so cute, so thought that'd be a fun little thing to have there on that side. Okay, and then over here, I have a doily that I got in the doily swap, and it doesn't say who made it. Might have said on something else, but it got separated, so I don't know who made it, but it's really pretty. So I'm gonna use that, and I didn't tape this one all the way down. Oh, and I guess it's still moving. So as soon as I get this where I need it, I can put some glue underneath it so it doesn't try to move. Okay, it looks like it's still straight. Okay, and I'm gonna... So yesterday, I did Foster's pictures. And she's almost walking now. She was born the day before Halloween, so I'll always remember it. Okay, and then I have this little tag from the collection, and it was on the little, oh, you know, like the 3x4s, and they have an assortment. Okay, so I'm gonna stick this up in here. Want a little bit of that doily showing. Because I also have this, and it says baby, and I had this little ribbon here, and I think I'm gonna have to get my fabric scissors. Because I just tied this ribbon around it, but I didn't cut the string on it. But I wanted to put a ribbon around it. And then I'm gonna put it where it's really close to the hole on the tag, so I don't have to put anything there. And I probably need E6000 for that. And I just happened to have some out already today because I was making jewelry. Okay. Oops. Okay, and I just use a toothpick because it takes so very little. Okay, I think that should do it. I'm going to put it right here. Okay. Okay, and you know what? I forgot to tuck this in. Did I put tape on that or glue? Tape. Okay. So I might be able to get that in there. Okay, because I wanted that there. Have I done this the whole time? Forget something. Let's see if I can get that go underneath there. Do I have my little flipper out here? Do not see it. Okay, I'm just going to try to slide this up with my fingernail because I know it goes at the top. And this is another one of those strips. I've really been using the strips. I want it down a little bit more. I don't want to tear my doily though because it's perfect color. Okay. Let me see if I can pull it this way just a little bit. But with the tweezers. Okay. I thought about making a banner but using all these little characters. But I'm going to keep it with that. And you know what? I did want that down further. So maybe I will go get another thing that I can put here. Because I want this down here. And I might put it right there because even though you have the right size, when you're leaving a little bit of space between everything, it makes it like they don't fit quite right. That's when I noticed having all the different sizes. Okay, so I'm gonna just bring that up there so it comes right to the bottom of the pictures. And I'm gonna go get another strip to put right there and I'll be right back. Okay, I went and found this. It's a branding strip for the plaid here. And I decided I would cut a little banners or just cut, you know, right at where the hole is. And anyhow, I gotta tell you, I love it. It's a happy accident. So I'm gonna just tuck that in right here and then just put it to where it's almost touching that. And you can still see like a little bit of the white there from the paper it was cut from, but it's like I still like it, so I'm just gonna go with it. And I think it looks super cute. Okay, and then the enamel dots I have are these. They're kind of like a soft mint green, and I just think they look like a little baby green color. And now they have a little different shade of green, but I like this one.
Did you just say enamel dots?
I did say enamel dots. like I couldn't help myself even though you were in the room. Because you know he just wants to sing it every time I say it. Okay, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things there, so I'm good with that. And I think I'll kind of do a diagonal thing here. And put a little cluster of 3. Now, I don't know if I need to have anything over here or not. Whoops, I'm stuck. I'm gonna put a little cluster of 3 up here too. Right on these rainbows. I love the shade of green. I don't know what else I used it on, but I love it. So the husband brought the last of the jalapenos in. I think our garden is done. Oh, except for pumpkins still out there. I don't know if I need anything over here or not. I think I'm gonna leave it. Okay, so that's it for today. Remember, in the drop-down menu, I'll have all the information of the things I used. And then I will also have everybody who is doing YouTube videos and anybody who has just done still shots and put them on Christy's Facebook group. And then I also have Christy's Scrapbook YouTube channel. So thank you for joining me. I will have close-ups at the end. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.